This question asks us to work out the length of DC, which is the length of that there, which is 2x. We are told that the perimeter of the quadrilateral is 52 centimetres, and we know that the perimeter is the length of the outside of the shape. From that, we can then create an equation whereby the perimeter, so when we add up all of those expressions for each of those lengths, added together then gives us 52. So I'm going to start from A. And the first bit starting from A is then going to be x plus 1, plus then going from B to C, so plus x minus 1, then going from C to D is then plus 2x, and then finally D to A is then 2x minus 5, and we're told in the question that this gives us 52. Now we just collect the like terms, solve to find what x is. So there's an x, another x, so 2x, plus another 2x, which gives us 4x, plus another 2x, which then gives us 6x. So 6x. Now do the same for the numbers. So 1 minus 1 gives you 0, minus then 5. So that would be 6x minus 5 is then equal to 52. We now need to solve that. So I'm going to put the lines down the middle just to add a little bit of structure for you. So first step to solve, get rid of that minus 5. So the opposite of subtracting 5 is adding 5 to both sides. So, like that. 6x minus 5 plus 5, that cancels through, which just gives you 6x. And then 52 plus 5 then gives you 57. We want x and not 6x, so you're going to divide by the coefficients, the number in front. So we divide both sides by 6, which then gives us x is equal to 57 over 6. I'm going to simplify that a little bit here. So 57 over 6, both of them are divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide the denominator and the numerator by 3. Denominator is nice and easy. 6 divided by 3 then gives you 2. The numerator is a little bit trickier, so I'm going to bus stop it. So how many times does 3 go into 5? Well, it goes in once with a remainder of 2. How many times does 3 go into 27? Well, that's then 9. So this then gives you 19 over 2. So x is 19 over 2, which you can put that as a decimal, but I'll just leave it as a fraction for the time being. So we found what x is, but we haven't actually answered the question, which is what is the length of CD? And CD is 2x. So DC is 2x. And that means it's going to be 2 multiplied by the x value we've just found, which is 19 over 2. And 2 times 19 over 2, essentially the times by 2 and the divide by 2 cancel each other out. So that would then give you 19. So the length of DC or CD is then 19.